Behold, the future of electric power. Hyundai IONIQ 5N. It starts with ultra-high-strength steel rolls.
Precision lasers cut the steel sheets.
Heavy presses stamp out body panels. Automated robots weld the chassis frame. Coating the bare frame against rust. Smoothing surfaces for perfect paint adhesion. Applying signature performance blue matte paint. Installing the powerful 84 kilowatt-hour battery. Reinforcing the frame for track durability. Curing the performance blue finish in heat. Connecting high-voltage orange power lines. Mounted dual motors deliver total wheel drive. Fitting adaptive suspension for track precision.
Fitting adaptive suspension for track precision.
Integrating advanced battery cooling systems. Sealing aerodynamic glass onto the frame. Installing the sporty cockpit and display. Securing lightweight N bucket racing seats. Mounting massive performance brake rotors.